Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to mute someone on messages. First of all, you can open the messages. After opening the messages, you can see different messages here. You can just simply select the message that you want to mute. I can select this message. So now I can open this chat, and after this you can now tap on the person's name at the top middle of the screen, and here you can see the option hide alerts. Make sure that you enable the option, and after enabling the option you can now tap on done, and now go back, and here you can see the message is mute, and it is a way you can mute someone on messages. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.